In April, Sovelmash specialists were scaling up to serial production, commissioning equipment and running pilot batches of parts. The company has reached the final stage before launching its first mass-produced product, an angle grinder with an asynchronous drive based on the Slavyanka combined winding technology. First batch sales are expected to start in late May. The angle grinder's impeller mold arrived. Parts are being made and fitted to size, improving the product's appearance, reliability, and overall performance characteristics. Tooling was made for mounting the stator into the angle grinder housing. Assembly of the angle grinder has begun. Details are emerging and parts are adjusted. Finished angle grinder samples were sent to the lab, where they underwent the most rigorous tests. Specialists began setting up hot shrink fitting of rotors onto the shaft. Commissioning of the slotting machine has begun. It is designed for cutting keyways in internal bores. It was filled with lubricant. First startup was performed and production of tooling for the machine was launched. Work on other innovative products continued at a brisk pace. Another technological step has been taken towards setting up serial production of frame-size 350 aircraft electric motors, for which there are no counterparts worldwide. This motor is installed on the Super Heavy class drone Motylek. Work began on mastering the technology of casting the stator stack and the sleeve into the housing. The casting tooling was being fine-tuned. If previously making the housing took more than 24 hours, it now takes up to 2 minutes. Aluminium alloy consumption is 9 to 10 times lower. The first outdoor trials this year of the Motylek drone were carried out. The drone rose only slightly above the ground due to electronic warfare jamming, but all required readings were captured. The powertrain performed very well. Its peak output of 240 kW greatly impressed the development team. There was also progress on enclosed motor production. The first stator, using tooling designed and manufactured at Sovelmash, has been press-fitted into a standard 90 mm housing. The power of this motor is over 3 kilowatts. Applications are quite broad, depending on the design, from small machine tools and household appliances to vehicles. Sovelmash has been granted 2 new patents. Both directly relate to the design of asynchronous electric motors. The latter solution made it possible to reduce the length of the motor's aluminum housing from 90 mm to 80 mm and to lower the motor's material consumption. That means every 9th housing will, in effect, be free. Obtaining the permit for commissioning moved forward slowly but steadily overall. The matter was also discussed in April at a meeting with the management of Technopolis Moscow. The red tape did not in any way slow down the company's technological development. Sovelmash continues to expand its capabilities to become the leading company in its field. Follow our updates to stay up to date on the project's progress.